C++. What is OPP? OPP stands for Object-Oriented Programming. Procedural programming is about writing procedures or functions that perform operations on the data, while object-oriented programming is about creating objects that contain both data and functions. Object-oriented programming has several advantages over procedural programming, like OOP is faster and easier to execute. OPP provides a clear structure for the programs. OPP helps to keep the C++ code dry, don't repeat yourself, and make the code easier to maintain, modify, and debug. OPP makes it possible to create full reusable applications with less code and shorter development time. Include the stream. This line includes the input and output stream library, which allows input and output operations. It's necessary for using cout and cin. Include string. This line includes the string library, which provides functionality for working with strings. Using namespace std. This line tells the compiler to use the std namespace. The std namespace contains many standards C++ functions and objects. Class car. This line starts the definition of a new class named car. Private. This line specifies that the member variables and functions declared after it will be accessible only within the class itself and not from outside. String make. This line declares a private member variable of type string named make, which will store the model of the car. The next one is string model. This line declares a private member variable of type string named model, which will store the model of the car. Int year. This line declares a private member variable of type named year, which will store the year of the car. Public. This line specifies that the member variables and functions declared after it will be accessible from outside the class, unlike the private that will only can be accessed inside. This line is a constructor of the car class. It initializes the member variables make, model, and year with the values passed as parameters. Make equals car make. This line assigns the value of the car make parameter to make member variable. Model equals car model. This line assigns the value of the car model parameter to model member variable. And the year equals car year. These lines assign the value of the car year parameter to the year member variable. Void display info. This line defines a public member function named display info, which takes no parameters and returns void. Cout make and DL. This line prints out the make of the car using the cout console output object. Cout model and DL. This line prints out the model of the car. Cout year and DL. This line prints out the year of the car. Int main. This line starts the definition of the main function, which is the entry point of the program. Car my car. This line creates an object of the car class named my car and initializes it with the make of Toyota, model Camry, and 2020 year using the constructor mycar.displayInfo. This line calls the displayInfo method on my car object to display information about the car, and this last part returns 0. This line indicates that the program has executed successfully and returns 0 to the operating system.